Here we go, guys. New mod for the Challenger. Got some smoke LED side marker lights. I can install them in the Challenger right now. Let's unbox these things and take a quick look at them. As you can see, the lights are labeled front and rear. Let's take a look at the front. Nice clean smoke lens. It's gonna match up real well with my gray paint. There's no point in showing you the rear. It looks the same, so I'll just take it out anyway. Put them on. And there we go, the rear. These are the rear. Now putting this light in on the passenger side is pretty easy. You just stick your hand through here and you'll be able to reach the light from near here. Now this side, I'm gonna have to take this air box out because I am not taking these rivets out because I don't have a rivet tool and I don't have the clips to replace them. So we're gonna do it the hard way. Take all this off and go through here and struggle with it. Now the back is pretty easy. You just go from up under the car and reach up in there and pop them out. So I guess I gotta get to work. As you can see right here, they're labeled which side it goes on. This is the right for the right side. Just push this little tab right here and it should pop out like that. Just push it forward. You just gotta wiggle it out. There you go. Wasn't too bad. Take this off. Alright, there it is. The laser beam right here on this side, and the honeycomb effect with the 3 dots. That's simple. Nice little laser beam. So I don't think I mentioned how these lights come out and go back in. So basically what you do, you have this tab right here. You just push this tab in, and then you push the light from the inside outward, and it's gonna pop out. And then once it pop out, you just slide it forward to get it to unhook from here, and the light's gonna come out once you get this part through the hole. It's pretty little easy mod. Nothing too difficult for anybody. Man, let me tell you, man, I had to bring this thing out in the daytime so you can get a look at this. Them lights complement this car so well. Look at this. Oh my God, that look clean. Bro, I'm like all the way satisfied with these, man. They give the car a whole different look. So on your way out, like this video, comment, let me know what you think about this. And always, don't forget to subscribe.